Yo, what's good? You already know it's your boy Nolan Gaines. You know Noli, man. Today I'm about to do a little photo shoot. Got some clothes. Summertime 2018. We about to get it popping. So right now I'm about to eat first. So you know what I'm saying? I'm in Don Tor Tacos right now. I'm saying I'm about to get me a number 11 beef chimichanga, beans, rice, cheesy, salsa. Man, it's about to go down. You feel me? I can do that. Cause I'm a champion.
Plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe. I don't let my plug walk.
Just got done eating. Now I'm about to do a little photo shoot. I got on a Guess tee. You know what I'm saying? V-neck, nice material. These shorts are made by Trillnation. You know what I'm saying? Your little $50 shorts. Cargo print. Got on the Cali hat. Camel. You know what I'm saying? Come, let's do the shoot. Let's get started though. You know what I'm saying? Long nights, long days. We got a game tonight too.
Ooh, 50K, you could come and book a nigga for a plug walk. You can reach me. Space coupe like ET. It's the plug tryna call me.
Wake up in the morning feeling live. God must be really on my side. Got the baddest picture by my side. Cash make the pussy come alive. Everybody know I set the vibe. Bet I steal your bitch like it's a crime.